I keep my place clean and orderly. Values education. Let's meet Justin and Alex. They are brother and sister. Let's listen to Justin and Alex's conversation. Alex, why is your room so messy? Go away, it's not your room. Mom's going to freak out if she sees this. I can't find my ring. Please help me. We should always keep our place clean and in order. Do you think Mom will still be mad? I don't think so. I'm sure she will be happy. Did you find the ring? Yes, I swept it under the bed. Think about it. No one wants to live in a dirty house, sleep on a dirty room. We all want to live in a house where we can smell fresh air and the things inside are in order. Having a clean and orderly house gives us peace and security away from sickness, threat, or accident that may bump our body. It is easier to find things because it is placed on an assigned place. Remember, a clean and orderly house will make the family live in harmony. Here are tips for keeping our room clean. Pick up toys and clothes off the floor before bed. Make it a habit to clean your bed before getting up. Set a regular cleaning schedule to maintain a tidy space. Let's have an exercise. Select the picture that belongs to the place. Picture number 1 is the living room. Which do you think belongs there? Is it A, toilet paper, B, television, C, spatula? Our picture number 2 is a bathroom. Which do you think belongs there? Is it A, the sofa, B, cleaning material, or C, the shoe rack? Our picture number 3 is the kitchen. Do you think the lampshade belongs there? Or the pillows? How about the spoon, fork, and knife? Our picture number 4 is a bedroom. Do you think the watering can needs there? Or the blanket? How about the cooking pot? In the library, do you think the books belongs there? How about the cups and saucer? And the toys? Let's answer them. The living room needs the television. The bathroom should have the cleaning brush. The kitchen should have spoon, fork, and knife. The bedroom needs a blanket. And the library should have a book. Thank you for joining us in this fun and educational experience. Please subscribe to our channel Lesson Aider. Don't forget to like our video. You may share them and leave a comment below. Thank you.